Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today, Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty, everything closed in positive, but 0.5%. That too, additional 0.5% move from the all-time high level in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But if you see India IT index, to a certain extent, it has been negative. IT index usually will be negative when the US dollar value reduces because majority of the companies like Infosys, Tech Mahindra, they provide service outbound. So when dollar value reduces, this is a negative sign for them. Today, during the first half of the day, our market was bit choppy, created a fresh all-time high level and it started to move towards the downside. And Bank Nifty was holding on to the upper level, creating a flag pattern. Definitely many option buyers in the first half of the day, they would have felt some challenges. Now, in our private Telegram group, early morning we had discussed about important support and resistance level. Later, I had shared my view about the market. While speaking about Bank Nifty, I said my expectation is Bank Nifty will move up to a resistance level and later correct. And Nifty expectation was it will move little bit higher and correct. To a certain extent, Bank Nifty will be bullish. Momentum towards the upside might be slow, where market can keep forming a flag pattern. So to a certain extent, that is what has happened in the market. Now many retail traders were looking for bearish setup at all-time high level. Around 9:30, I had said the market is expected to be slow up move and quick correction later. Along with Nifty and Bank Nifty, we were also looking at HDFC Bank and Reliance Industry because those are heavyweights. While sharing the setup, I said please look at heavyweight stock HDFC Bank and Reliance. Both have broken out at the upper level, but at the upper level we can expect selling pressure. If more people start exiting from the upper level, this will create liquidity in the market. When liquidity is available on top, what will happen? Market will get attracted to that, right? We identified the bullish flag pattern. I had explained what kind of view I have. Bullish flag pattern setup, quick up move will trap put option buyers. Waiting for this setup is better. In Bank Nifty, we have a bullish view, but what is Nifty doing? Nifty was continuously moving towards the downside to attract put option buyers. But we had clearly said Nifty is coming to day's low. Still, I will not be considering put as I consider this to be a trap. Rather than continuing the down move, Nifty can start reversing. This will support Bank Nifty's up move. So avoid put option trade in Nifty, and this is as per my understanding. As per our expectation, Nifty this breakdown was trapped. Later we could see quick momentum in Nifty towards the upside. In Bank Nifty also, when the time was 1 p.m, I said hoping the spike what I want now towards the upside. Exactly from 1 o'clock, Bank Nifty quickly started moving towards the upside. My exit in that market was somewhere here because at all-time high level, I did not wanted to have a bullish view. Maybe 40 to 45 points is what I was able to capture. I did not hold on to the trade. Later point of time, my expectation is Bank Nifty will correct. So we did not take any fresh call option trade in the market. All of these updates I have shared in the free Telegram channel also for educational purpose. I would suggest you to watch all the updates one by one because it has a lot of useful learning related to price action, stop loss hunting and trade psychology. Now this was about today's market. Let's quickly discuss about what kind of opportunities we have for tomorrow. Traders, this is Nifty chart 15 minutes time frame. In the chart I have drawn this trend line, right? Because continuously it was acting as support and this trend line was acting as resistance. On Friday also this area was acting as resistance. Once this level was broken in today's market, this acted as support. Now there are two important levels that we need to mark in our Nifty chart. One is 26,000 psychological level. In this case, I have considered 26,010 level. Now, if you look at Nifty option chain data, call option writers are strongly sitting at 26,000 level. Tomorrow, if Nifty opens flat or gap up, it will create some kind of pressure for call option writers at 26,000 level. At all-time high level, planning for any call option trade is not a good idea. Now, this upper level is very important in the market. Now, let's say tomorrow Nifty opened above this trend line or it gave a breakout, it started to move towards the upside. Now before reaching this level or at this zone, market can form a high, low, lower high and lower low. That time with small stop loss, we can consider a put option trade. Expectation is market can go up to 25,840 level. After this, the uptrend can continue. Instead of this, let's say market open flat and it started to move towards the downside. Let it break this support. This will attract more put option buyers at trendline breakdown and at this supporting level breakdown. Here, if we get any W pattern breakout setup with small stop loss, we can be looking for call. We can expect Nifty to create a fresh all-time high level by breaking today's high. These are the only setup in Nifty as of now. We are not going to complicate our setup. Let's say extreme gap down, extreme gap up. Based on that, we can decide what to do next. But closer to the current levels at the upper zone, we'll be looking for bearish setup. At the supporting area after breakdown, we'll be looking for reversal setup. Now there is a chance after coming here, market can just hold on to this range. If we get a breakdown, that is when we will be planning for put at this zone, where our target will be 25,700 level. Until then, planning for put option trade during this up move is not a good idea. Why are we planning put option trade at the upper level? Because we know what can be the risk for our trade even if market reverses. In wrong place, if we enter, the stop loss will be big. So wherever with reasonable stop loss we have a trade, that is what we will be looking into. Now coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has formed a double top pattern, but you can see this flag pattern now has become the supporting zone for Bank Nifty. As long as Bank Nifty is trading above this trend line, better to avoid any kind of trading setup. Let it move towards the upside, let it give a breakout. Later when this area is corrected, then we know stop loss for our trade will be small. We can consider a put option trade where this area will be our first target, which is 54,050. Second target will be 53,990. Now this is the zone where we can expect reversal in the market. Looking at the breakdown here, after this correction, if we plan for put option trade, there is at least 60 to 70% chance that we will end up in trap. So at the upper level, we'll be looking for put. When it comes to this lower range, we'll be looking for call. In case Bank Nifty opens between 53,990 and 54,065, this becomes our no trading zone. After consolidation, if we get a breakdown, that is when we will be planning for put option, or else completely avoid put option trade. Please keep in mind, if market directly breaks, this was resistance, now this will act as support. If this support level is broken, instead of looking for a put option trade, we will be looking for reversal setup because we are going as per the trend. I hope the view about the market is clear. In the current market condition, small scalping setup is what we will be looking into, so that we are not in the trade for longer duration. Only during expiry day for Bank Nifty or Nifty, that is when we'll be looking for bigger targets in the market. Tomorrow, risk reward 1:1.5 or 1:2 is more than sufficient. Traders, this is my view. In case the view changes or any further update, I'll keep you posted in the free Telegram channel. You can scan this QR code to join the group. Link is also provided in the description box below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.